And keeping this group together as well, given the reports of a bid for Philippe Coutinho. What is the situation there? Has there been a bid from Barcelona?
I have nothing to say about this. That's I'm sorry, but obviously you all can have stories without my saying so. Why should I disturb this process? Do whatever you want with this news, and I'm not interested. But what I can say, keeping the group together, yeah, would make sense.
We can say Coutinho not for sale, perhaps?
Yes, that's what we can say. But that's not since this morning or yesterday. That's not sure if it was different in any time. So, yes.